you probably click on this video because you want to get your natural skin color back and you want your skin tissue to heal. Okay, so most of the things I'll be talking in this video, most of my recommendations would be to heal your skin tissue, to get your natural skin color back. If you're here thinking I'm gonna tell you things to lighten the burn, no, I don't. Lightening it is not the best. Hello my favorite people. Welcome to my channel. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Kelly. It's good to have you here. I'm a certified esthetician and I mostly talk about skincare in this channel. I teach you how to look after your skin and I do a lot of product recommendations and how to keep that skin glowing. Okay, so if you like what you're watching, hit the subscribe button and subscribe, become part of this channel. Okay, and also while you're subscribing, don't forget to hit the bell button. The bell button keeps you up to date on what is happening on my channel. If you like this video, give it a share, and click the like button and like it. All right, and for my regular viewers, you're so good. Thank you so much for coming back. Welcome. So this video is about the do's and don'ts of skin bleaching cream burn. Okay, because the idea of lightening your skin color through bleaching may be more attractive, but it comes with a set of after effects, and most of those major after effects are redness and burn. Okay, so I'll be going through few advice as in to tell you what you can and cannot do after you get skin bleaching burn. Okay, and after once I give you this advice, make sure you follow it consistently. Make sure you're patient with it, because when you bleach your skin tissue is damaged because you've shed layers. Once you achieve that 3 to 4 shades lighter after bleaching your skin tissue is damaged and you've shed layers of your skin. So you need to allow your skin time to heal. It's not something that can happen overnight. It's not something that can happen in weeks. You need to give it months, sometimes years, for your skin tissue to heal. It takes time. And a lot of people, complaints that I've received too from some of my clients, you complain of your skin getting darker when you stop using the bleaching cream, unnaturally dark. Yes, it happens because when you stop using the bleaching cream, your skin tissue is healing. So when your skin tissue is healing, remember, when you bleach your skin, the bleaching color is not your natural color. So the darkness is from your skin tissue healing. It will get very, very dark, very unnaturally dark. Sorry about that. But you need to give your skin time. After a while, a couple of weeks or months after, depending on the degree of the burn, your skin tissue will heal and your natural skin color will come back if you haven't damaged your skin too deep, because most times there's some burn that will give you that irreversible hyperpigmentation. Okay, now the first step when you get your skin burn from bleaching. Okay, if it just happened recently, maybe it just happened now, let's say you bleached yesterday, your skin got burned yesterday, you wash your face with cold water. very, very cold water, because you need to soothe your skin. You need to soothe. If you have aloe vera gel around you, you can buy aloe vera gel and then you refrigerate it, because you need something cold around that area to help to soothe and heal your skin. So most of the things I'll be talking in this video, most of my recommendations would be to heal your skin tissue, to get your natural skin color back. If you're here thinking I'm gonna tell you things to lighten the, whatever, the burn, no, I don't. Lightening it is not the best. Lightening it is not because it will get dark again. So you need to work on healing your skin tissue. Once your skin tissue is healed, then you can start introducing other products, one after the other. So the first thing is you stop using any product that says astringents. Astringents are product that has harsh ingredients in it. Any product, skincare product that has fragrance, that has parabens, you need to stop using it. You need to stop using any soap, because soap has very high percentage of alcohol. So you need to stop using soap. Anything soap, too much lather, not good for you. Because remember, when your skin is burned, it gets really, really dry and very dull looking. It's malnourished. Is malnourished the right word? No, it's not malnourished. It's dehydrated. So your skin is dehydrated. So you have to work on restoring hydration and healing, restoring your skin barrier that has been damaged. Okay, so you stop using anything harsh products. Now you have to stop using chemical exfoliants, scrubs. Okay, because your skin tissue is very, very delicate, so you need to be gentle on it. So you have to treat it like a new bride. You're trying to make it happy. Can you see me dancing? Yeah, that's how you treat your skin. Be gentle on your skin. Okay, the first thing in restoring your skin is you have to look for mild cleansers, creamy cleansers. Okay, you need to look for creamy cleansers, mild cleansers, non-fragrance, fragrance-free, paraben-free, alcohol-free. Yes. Okay, soothing toners. Okay, and hydrating moisturizers. Now, when you're looking for your moisturizers, okay, look for moisturizers with this ingredient or serums with this ingredient, because you need serum. You need to restore your skin tissue back. You need to heal your skin tissue, soothe and heal it. Okay, so moisturizers that has these ingredients: glycerin, cucumber, sea algae, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, vitamin E. All these ingredients are very, very good, because they're going to help to heal your skin tissue. Okay, and they're going to help with hydration. You need a lot of hydration. Okay, drink plenty and plenty of water. All right, most of you you send me private messages asking me what I use on my skin. It's all about what you put inside. It comes out on the outside. Whatever you put inside comes out on the outside when it comes to skincare. Okay, now back to skincare product. So stay away. The second thing is you stay away from chemical exfoliants. So when I talk about chemical exfoliants, I'm talking about retinoid, glycolic acids, salicylic acids. So all the AHAs and BHAs, you have to stay away from it, because when you use them, they're going to cause oversensitivity of your skin. They're going to make your skin more inflamed, because your skin is already inflamed. Remember, inflammation causes the burn. So you need to use anything anti-inflammatory. You don't want to use all those chemical exfoliants, because they're going to cause more burn to your skin. So you stay away from them. Okay, now, are you someone that doesn't apply sunscreen? Okay, Once you get your skin burned, you need to introduce sunscreen. Okay, you need to introduce sunscreen and stay away from too much sun exposure. And if you're going out in the sun, cover up, cover up, cover up, because sun makes your skin worse. It makes the burn worse. It makes it darker. And it makes it more inflamed, more sensitive. Okay, so cover up, put your sunglasses and cover up. Protect your skin from the sun. Put your sunscreen when you're going out, because the sunscreen will stop your skin from being damaged too much. Okay, now I said earlier, what you eat inside comes out on the outside. So to restore your skin tissue and natural skin color back, we go to food. Vegetables. You need foods that are high, you eat foods that are high in carotenoids. Carotenoids, they are very, very good for you because they help to restore, make your natural darker color back, and they have very, very good and health benefits. Okay, so if you look up here, these are some of the foods that are high in carotenoids. So you eat these foods, they're going to heal your skin tissue from the inside. And when your skin tissue is healed on the inside, it will come out on the outside, and the burn will start getting lighter. It won't be as dark as it used to be. But remember, give your skin time. Hydration, hydrate your skin. Hydration is going to really, really help you. Good moisturizers are going to really, really help you. Good cleansers, good serums, good toners, they're going to help to heal your skin tissue. Okay, stay away from anything lightening, anything whitening, anything that's supposed to whiten the darkness, the burn, the stretch marks. You need to stay away from it, because yes, it may lighten it in the short run, but when you stop using it, it may even get worse than it is. Okay, it may get worse than it, because remember, your skin is, you may not see the wound, your skin tissue is wounded, is inflamed. So it's like putting something on a broken wound, putting very harsh chemicals on a broken wound. Okay, you don't want to do that. That's why you need nourishment and you need hydration. Okay, so the most important thing is you need to give your skin time to heal. It's like wound takes time to heal. So you give your skin time to heal, and you nourish your skin, you look after your skin. Okay, you can even take pictures of the progress, because when you're looking at it in the mirror, you may not notice that your skin is healing, but when you're taking pictures, keep the progress to see if whatever it is that you're doing is actually working. You'll be shocked to notice the huge difference when it comes to that process of getting your skin back to the natural color. Okay, and stop using the bleaching cream, by the way. Stop using it, because you can't be doing all this and while you're still using the bleaching cream. It's not going to work. And stay away from anything high percentage of chemicals in it, because any product that can give you your skin 3 to 4 shades lighter, change your color to 3 to 4 shades lighter, has very high percentage of toxic chemicals in it. That's why it was able to do that on your skin. Okay, so you stay away from it, and you'll be surprised on how your skin will heal and get back to normal. Okay, I hope you found this video very helpful, my favorite people. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Okay, and I have more good videos coming up, so when you subscribe, you'll be able to watch them. All right, and thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Remember, treat your skin right and your skin will treat you right. I love you so much. Mwah.